Hi, welcome to MarineMax. My name is John Stransky. I'm here to show you the 2018 Sea Ray 230 SLX. As we transition back to the well-designed transom area, it's a great spot for you and your family to build memories at the back of the boat. Whether you're coving out or anchored, you've got the collapsible swim platform, you've got the bench here with the adjustable back, and you've got your two rear-facing speakers allowing you to hear all your tunes. In addition, conveniently located in the transom, you have a cooler for all your cold drinks. In addition to this sports crossover, it also has a sports tower, allowing you and anyone else to wakeboard, tube, or ski. As you're working your way into the cockpit area, Sea Ray is known for its quality seating. It's got great seating for you and your family to sit and enjoy a ride, comfortable ride with the quality. Plenty of storage under each seat. This has a removable cooler, easily accessible. The port side seat has a bolster as well, so if your significant other would like to stand up and sit down, either way they can do it. It also has a lockable glove box for all your personal needs. And the captain's chair swivels and moves back and forth so you can enjoy the company in the back of the boat. The upgraded rock stereo system with 6 speakers allows you to listen to all your tunes in a quality style. Let's move our way to the front. The open bow allows your friends to sit here with plenty of room. I'm almost 6 foot tall, and with storage underneath each seat and conveniently located cup holders down below. If you have any questions about this boat or would like to learn more, please give me a call. My name and number is below. And thank you again for visiting MarineMax.com.